How to transfer money from Cash App to your bank. First off, launch the Cash App application in your device and ensure that your bank account is linked to your Cash App for the transfer. If you have not linked your bank account yet, here is how you can do it. First off, open up the Cash App and then tap on bank icon or profile icon. Then tap linked accounts or add bank. Now you have to enter your bank account details or use your debit card. Verify with your bank if prompted. Once added, now you can transfer money between Cash App and your bank. Now, to transfer money from Cash App to your bank, open the Cash App and then tap on balance or dollar icon. Then you have to select Cash App. For that, choose the amount that you want to transfer. Now, select between standard, which will take 1 to 3 business days for free, or instant, which will require some amount of fees. Once you're done with that, you can review the transfer details and then tap Cash Out to complete the process. Once you are done with that, your amount will be transferred from Cash App to your bank account. And that's how you can transfer money from Cash App to your bank. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.